So what's up, YouTube? How is everybody? I hope good. We are in Sink Canyon, which is outside of Lander, Wyoming. It is definitely beautiful here. We are hiking away. My daughter's dodging the camera. I should have shown you the river, but I kind of forgot I was supposed to make a video, to be honest. So here's the river. It's so beautiful. It's definitely a flowing. This one would, if you could, would be an awesome one to float. Let me see if I can get in here a little bit more. I'm picking my sage. Where I live, it's hard to get sage, so I make my own. There's my daughter on her phone, texting, of course, when she's supposed to be enjoying nature.